Morning, everybody. Pastor Luke here. Welcome back to Luke's Lunch. Grab peanut butter and jelly. Let's dive into it. So, in case you didn't know, today is National Prayer Day. So, let's talk about prayer for a second. You know, a lot of times I hear people say, well, I pray at every meal. Okay, that's a good start. But the question today is, how often do you pray? Do you pray every day? Do you pray continuously throughout the day? Do you pray when things are hard? Do you pray when things are good? Prayer is cultivating a relationship with God. Prayer is deepening your understanding of who God is and what His will is for your life and how you can be encouraging to all those other people around you daily. Cultivate that relationship with Him. It's just like your marriage. If you don't communicate with them, it's going to fall apart. If you don't communicate with family, your relationship is severed. Communicate with God through prayer. It's a necessity and ability that we take for granted. It's powerful. Don't neglect it. Love you guys.